Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see keyframe animation in Filmora. So this is new in Filmora X. So this is the most important features in Filmora. Now here you can see I have created this animation in Filmora X with the help of keyframe animation. So easily you can see here. Now just let's start the Filmora X. So here I am using Filmora X or Filmora 10. So keyframe animation is the most powerful things in Filmora X. So here just I am going to explain how we can use keyframe animation in Filmora or manual animation in Filmora. So here just I think interface is looking same as before, but some changes are here, maybe project folder, all these things. So simple, just I am going to import here our footage, then select this one folder and just simply click here and select your footage. Now click on open. Now after they just add some picture in our timeline, then simply click on plus or just simply drag and drop here like this. Okay, so here just I have added this picture here in timelines. So just select pictures or video or just left click here and simply click on edit, then press OK or simply just double click here. Then you can just come in here image option or just in edit options. So here you will see just animation options, then downside you will see customization. So this is the new. So with the help of add key, just you can add any key on anywhere in timeline. This is our previous keyframe and this is our next keyframe, and these are the parameters which we can animate here. So just a little bit take a look here. So just a little bit zoom in, zoom. So this is our CTI just on starting frame here. Now just simply click on add key. So downside you can see just I have added key on our first frame. Then just little bit move our CTI. Then you can add second key. So on this key if you want you can just change value. So little bit just I am going to change here scale maybe. So now you can see downside that just a arrow here. Okay, so now just little bit move here and just play and check here. Just press space bar or just simply click here. So now you can see like this. So suppose if you want to just go to starting of our keyframe or previous keyframe, then just click here. So this is our previous keyframe option, this is our next keyframe options. Now suppose little bit if you want to adjust your animation speed, then simply you can select keyframe this one and simply you can move like this. So you can just adjust your duration between these keyframes. Now simple you can see, just play and check. So like this. So now suppose after they just again I am going to just hold till here. After they just I want to make it again on same scale. So till here just place CTI here, then on top just simple add keyframes, then just move CTI again and just make it 100 and click just type any value. So simple animations are here. So this is most powerful things in Filmora X. Now see this is stopped. Now you can see. Okay, control plus minus just zoom in zoom out, hold control and just plus minus just simple just zoom in zoom out. Now after just a little bit I am going to explain further here. So again just press OK here, then in media folder just simply select your folder and just I am going to drag and drop here. Select these pictures or just simply double click here animation customization. So here just I am going to add sub keyframe, click on add scale value 0. So click and just type 0 here. Then after some time here just I am going to make it maybe 50. So if you want you can also just animate rotation, so maybe 360. So now you can see here like this. Okay, now if you want again same, if you want to adjust speed, downside you will see select keyframe and just little bit adjust according to your requirements. So easily you can see. After the just little bit till here, hold till here, then again just select your picture, this is important again, then add key here, then move CTI further, little bit scale and just fade out. So now you can see this animation. So these are the basic parameters for keyframing. So these parameters you can animate and you can create anything in Filmora. So now here just a little bit I am going to create a projects here. So just press OK here. So again just simply select and delete this one, select and delete this one. Now here just select all pictures and just add all pictures in our timelines. Then hold Control plus minus, add some music here. So simple, just audio tab. So from these music, if you want, you can download. Just simply click this download option, so you can download and connect your internet for download. So just here I'm going to take this one, just click on add. So here first a little bit just I am going to adjust some scale for this picture, then select this picture, again double click. So here just in image control, in transform, just a little bit I am going to adjust scale like this. Okay, then right click here, then copy effects, select all pictures, right click and just paste effects. So here just I have pasted only scale effect because I think these are the same resolution images here. Even if you want, you can also adjust scale manually. So whatever you want, you can adjust. Maybe a little bit this one here. So here simple. So manual you can also scale. So this is totally depends on you. Then press OK. Now here after the just I am going to create some animation for these pictures. So then just again select these pictures, then again double click, then animations. Now add key here, then come at last frame, then add another key and just adjust a little bit scale here. So maybe 100.5. Now just play and check here. Now select again second picture I have selected here, add key, then here maybe a little bit position, scale, then again third one, select, add key, then maybe on starting frame just a little bit 105, then go to at last frame, make it 100. Maybe if you want, you can adjust position also. So this is totally depends on you how you are creating animation for your pictures. So I have selected here, add key, then go to maybe last frame for these pictures, then little bit scale it, maybe little bit rotate it. So just click and left mouse button, you can just adjust its rotation. Now from here also just add key, last frame, maybe little bit scale, maybe rotations, maybe positions. So this is totally depends on you how you are just animating your pictures here. Now just you can see here animation. Now press finally OK. Now little bit check it here. Now just add some transition in between. So just I have selected here. So basic transition, just maybe dissolve, just simple add in between. So if you want, you can add. So any transition you can add. Now just play and check here. Check. Now till here just save our project here, click on file, just save project. Now here just I am going to render this one. So just starting frame, just simply click here or just press enter. So render preview here. Now just play and check. And finally, if you want to export your final output, then simply click on export and just create your final output. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.